I remember demonstrating a rehab robotic glove, which is in India from around 2018. Now, this rehab robotic glove is the latest technology which is advanced in robotics. And our speakers, Effie Simpson and Dr. Rohini Dange, they have used these rehab robotics in their treatment as a adjunctive or supplementary to other systems like functional electrical stimulation. We would be talking more in the workshop. So join the workshop on 21st July and 28th July. 28th July, that is a Sunday. Sit, relax at home and attend this workshop. If you want to register, call us at 093 There are limited seats. This is Sudhir Makhija signing off until we meet again.